Welcome to WritersER, your go-to destination for all things dissertation and thesis research related. Today, we're diving deep into a critical component of your academic journey, crafting the perfect literature review. If the thought of sifting through endless stacks of research papers makes you dizzy, you're in the right place. Imagine a roadmap that not only navigates you through this daunting task, but also saves you time and money by helping you complete your dissertation faster. Stick around as we unfold this simple guide to mastering your literature review with ease. A literature review is more than just an academic requirement. It's the backbone of your research, providing a foundation for your work. It demonstrates your scholarly ability to identify relevant information, synthesizes existing knowledge, and sets the stage for your research question. But where do you begin? And more importantly, how can you do it efficiently without compromising quality? First, let's understand the purpose of a literature review. It's not just about summarizing sources, it's about creating a narrative that guides your research direction. It shows gaps in existing research, aligns your study within the current knowledge base, and justifies your research's significance. Start by defining your topic clearly. A well-defined topic is like a beacon that guides your research ship through the sea of information. It narrows down the scope, making your literature search more focused and manageable. Once your topic is crystal clear, dive into database searching with precision. Use keywords related to your research question to sift through academic databases and journals. Remember, not all information is created equal. Prioritize peer-reviewed articles and reputable sources to ensure the credibility of your literature review. As you gather sources, organize them meticulously. Create a system that works for you, whether it's a spreadsheet or a reference management tool. This organization will be your best friend, helping you keep track of your sources, themes, and notes. Now on to the writing part. Start with an outline that structures your literature review into themes or categories. This not only helps in organizing your thoughts, but also in identifying relationships between different studies. Your literature review should not be a mere list of summaries. Instead, it should weave a narrative that connects these studies to your research question, highlighting trends, controversies, and gaps in the research. Incorporate critical analysis into your review. Don't just take every study at face value. Evaluate the methodologies, findings, and limitations of the studies you include. This critical perspective adds depth to your literature review, showcasing your analytical skills. Balancing synthesis and summary is key. While it's important to summarize studies, your primary goal is to synthesize them. This means drawing connections, identifying patterns, and discussing how they relate to your research question. Don't forget to highlight the gap your research intends to fill. This is the climax of your literature review, where you justify the necessity of your study. It's your moment to shine, showing how your research addresses unanswered questions or offers new insights. As you conclude your literature review, reflect on the journey you've embarked on. Summarize the key findings and how they paved the way for your research. Leave your readers with a clear understanding of the importance of your study and its contribution to the field. Remember, a well-crafted literature review sets the tone for your entire dissertation. It's your first major academic challenge, but with the right approach, it can also be an incredibly rewarding experience. And there you have it, a simple guide to crafting the perfect literature review. We've navigated through defining your topic, organizing sources, critical analysis, and synthesis, all the way to highlighting the significance of your research. By following these steps, you're not just completing an academic requirement, you're laying a solid foundation for your dissertation, saving yourself time and ultimately money. Before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. What strategies have you found most effective in managing your literature review? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WritersER for more insights and strategies to navigate your academic journey with confidence. We're here to support you through every step of your dissertation or thesis, making the process as stress-free as possible. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in crafting a literature review that stands out.